Hey guys, today's Monday, January the 29th of 2024, and I want to go over natural gas without any further delay. Let's get to it. As of change of contract, you can see that we got this nice big drop. Andrew's pitchfork didn't help out. Volume diminishing, and there's a great chance we might test 194, or this could be a fail new low, fill the gap, and reverse, or go down more, and not fill the gap right away. We know already February's bearish. We know March could be bearish also. I got a couple well, you guys know. I got you up to speed with dates and my analysis and everything. So you have no excuse of knowing where I'm leaning at. The most important question is, when is the turning point within February and March? A couple of things I wanted to show you. Measured move. You see this move right here to here? That's this line right there. Where does it stop? 194 or 93. We could probably fill that up, go down, or maybe just continue going down and test this 194 level to see if the bulls will hold it. Another thing also on the weekly, this could possibly be a wave 3. Can't remember because I haven't looked at the weekly. But off the top of my head, this could be a wave 3. This is a wave 4. You guys probably remember. And wave 5 is somewhere down here or even lower. Looking at our Gann grid, you can see that we've found support or hovering around the 75% level, which is that 213. We're below the 50. We're below the 1x1. So very, very, very weak. The bears are in control, as I say. The bears are in control. Anything else here? I think that's it. Weekly support. Let's see what's in there. Yeah, this is an area of demand anywhere around here to here. Below that, it's going to get weaker. So we fell through here. This is resistance. Let's go into our simple glance chart. I don't want to make this video too long. As you can see, PPS sell signal. We got this thing now telling you that, on the monthly, you're okay to go short. We got a hockey stick on the MACD, which is something that looks like that, a pattern like that. When you get that, sometimes it's possible that it's going to turn down. And look, we haven't crossed over yet, but very close. Remember the area I was telling you I like to buy and accumulate? And the reason that I hesitated is because we're in the zero line on the MACD on the weekly chart. I prefer it to be down here between -1, -1.5, even -2 when we're here. It makes more sense because you're really at extreme discount prices. Right now, we're below the value area low of 220 and very, very, very weak. And the MACD now has a crossover to the negative side. On the daily, also below the linear regression channel, and also there's a pivot S2 right here of 196, pretty much testing the 194 area right here. So maybe it goes down here, test it, finds support, turns around and goes up, fills this gap, or sideways here, or push even lower. Daily MACD negative. Probably the market sentiment is pushing lower. I got to look at these numbers. Let's go into our midpoint chart real quick. And you can see the gap. All time frames are all negative. They're all red on the chart, on the midpoint chart. So for big picture level, for the yearly chart, since we're going to be here, obviously we got 194. What happens if we're going to go push lower? See this line right here, change of contract. So Big target would be 133. Let's see if it gets down there. And then 72 cents, which that's crazy, but I figure I'd show it to you. This could be more ideal. This could be maybe your wave 5, 133, or around this area right here. But that's a target that's possible if it's going to continue pushing lower. On the monthly, you're already close to, which is 108. Here's another level here for this week, which would be 193. And we'll cover next month. So obviously these are the two. This is going to be for next month right here, these two levels. I'll tell you, 178 and 146. Those are the bigger picture targets. On the weekly, for this week, as you can see, we are already below 216, hovering around low of 210. It's that 202 right here. And then this is for the whole week. We push low below there. You got to look at the ones that just went over. But normally this gives you a whole week range, and we are already close to the bottom, and it's already Monday. And the daily, you're already negative. You're already below the range. So if it's just, stalling here to go up, thinking about filling this gap, well, the statistical calendar says that Monday is bullish and the weekdays bullish. But then bearish, 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 bearish. Friday, bullish, but the weekday is bearish. So how you like them apples? So it's going to turn up here. It's going to try in a U.S. session, maybe to test some levels. The bears will probably let them, maybe. Fill the gap? I don't know. It's a big question. There has to be some good Momo to fill this gap on Monday only. If all, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, are negative. So we'll see. Let's look at the square of 9. Square of 9, we're at, 210? We're right here. Yep, 204. You got that 199 low in February, the 22nd, I believe. You got the 194, April 14. And then you got 190, which is the 90 degree. And then you got 183. So these are your bigger bigger targets here. 204, 197, 190, 183. And if you want to go back to the 0, 176. I'm going to sign out. Hopefully you like this video, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on natural gas.